Alright everyone, welcome back to the continuation of our smoker build. As you can see, we have everything welded up. We did a little bit of preliminary grinding there, and now we're going to get ready to put some legs on this thing just so it's not right on the ground. We don't want the ground to get heated up wherever you are. It's going to be over stone, but we want to just make sure that you got a little bit of room there. I found some old bed frame here. You can see there's just your extensions, and I'm going to utilize, because we're making a 2-inch leg, so I'm going to utilize the pieces in between these cutouts for our legs. They're not going to be very long. We don't want to waste any material, and this way we can utilize the material to its best proportions. Alright, so we have everything all marked off on our bed frame angle iron. As you can see, we have our saw ready. I have it already marked off, so you don't have to watch me do that. I know it's tedious. We're going to get ready now. We're going to make our first cut, knock off this piece here. That's our first one done. We have 3 more to go. After we're done with those 3 cuts, we'll catch up with you at that time. Alright, welcome back everyone. As you can see, we have the lid for the smoker laid out. It might be difficult to see in the camera view there, but there are a couple of lines over here as well as across. It is a bit long, so this piece is going to be cut off and used for something else. And then along these edges, we're going to make a little lip that's just going to bend over the smoker, creating a nice sort of a tight seal. We're going to be using the same process we did to make the box in the first place. We're going to score these lines, and then we're going to bend them in. As you can see, we do have the hinges laid out here. They're not going on yet just yet. It's just for just to give you an idea of what it's going to look like with the hinges on there. They're a little bit heavy duty for this, but they'll work out just fine for what we need this smoker to do. Alright, so now is the part where we're going to cut off the excess material here. As you can see, we got our straight edge laid out. We're going to be using a DeWalt 0.45 inch zip cut to make the cut. When you are making your cut, you don't want to plunge deep. You just want to just get through the material and then finish cutting along. It'll help avoid the wheel blowing up on you. You don't want to do that. It's a safety concern. Always use eye protection and hearing protection when you're doing this. Hopefully I'm not yelling at you too loud because I do have my hearing protection on. Here we go. Alright, welcome back. As you can see, we've scored the lid, we've bent it all in so it fits nice and snug around the smoker box. You can see we left a little tab here that you can open up. You'll probably need to wear gloves. We're debating whether or not we're going to attach a handle there, but for now we have a little tab. We're going to be welding the hinges on momentarily, and then once the hinges are welded on, we'll show you what it looks like opening and closing. Alright, so we'll get to that and then we'll be right back. Alright, here we are with the smoker almost finished. We're very, very close to the end. As you can see, the lid has been welded up, all of the edges. We have a nice little handle here. And you see how it opens. We are going to install a couple of chains here so it doesn't fall down. We don't want that to happen. However, since it closes nicely, it has a good seal. You can see we've welded on our hinges. And again, this is now functional. However, we're going to make it look a little better. Don't forget, we also did weld on the feet. I'll try to turn that so you can see it in the camera. They're just small little 2-inch angle irons. That'll keep the heat off the ground, and so you'll be able to use this in a variety of places. So you want to make sure that it can be moved around. A lot of my family members are going to be interested in one of these, so I want to make sure it's versatile. We'll be back with one more spot once it's all completely done, just to show you a final photo, and then also in use, because everybody wants to see what it looks like actually smoking. Alright, thanks for watching. Again, don't forget to subscribe. We really want to grow the channel, and don't forget to like the video as well. Thanks for watching, and we'll be back with another video soon.